Hey, I want to talk about technology. Do you know that you're already behind in technology? The most important thing any job seeker can do is what I call tech up. It's increase your technology skills. And one of the things I've learned is that while we tend to think that younger generations are so far ahead of us old folks in terms of technology, it's everyone's responsibility at all ages to increase your technology skills. What I have found, I teach at 2 universities, and one of my assignments to my students is they have to Skype with me for an hour as a team to go over a financial spreadsheet. And what I find out is that many of my students have never used Skype. They haven't used Zoom. They don't know how to set up group conferencing like that. And many people don't know basic programs like Excel. And I'm talking about seniors studying in the business school, studying marketing. I have to teach my college seniors some of the key programs like Excel, how to do formulas. I give them spreadsheets that are already populated with formulas, and many of them don't know how to use Excel effectively. They all know social media. Everybody can Instagram and snapshot, but they don't know basic business programs that they need to have to be successful. That's college students. Imagine if you are 40, 50, 60, 70, older, still want a job in the workforce. You have 2 or 3 or 4 times as much work to tech up, to become technologically on top of things. Technology doubles every 2 years. It's growing exponentially. And so we have to keep developing our technology skills. There are so many ways to do it, and you really need to embrace it at all ages. For people in college, the job career centers can help you take classes. Everybody, community colleges have wonderful programs. You can do things online. Udemy and Linda, and there's all sorts of different courses, Teachable. There's all different platforms that you can learn skills for very low cost. You can go to community colleges. There are all sorts of ways you can learn. You can learn everything on YouTube. YouTube is wonderful. Everything you want to learn, you can learn on YouTube. But it really is your responsibility to address your technology at all ages, not just old baby boomers, but young millennials also. So I really want to encourage everybody to think about their responsibility to tech up, to become technologically more advanced. One of the things you can do is listen to Kim Commando every Saturday. Podcasts, there are a million podcasts out there, and many of them teach skills. You can find everything you want. But the difference is you have to choose. You have to say, to stay relevant in the workforce, whether I'm 25 or I'm 55, I need to make a conscious choice to embrace technology, not to be fearful of it, but to embrace technology, go after it, and say, I am responsible for my own hireability, regardless of my age. And therefore, I need to embrace the technology skills and learn what's going on. So I encourage every one of you to make an action plan, make a commitment to spend half an hour every single day learning something about technology, okay? It's your responsibility. No one is going to force you to do it. If you've gotten through college and you haven't learned it, you have an employer may not teach you. Employers do not teach people job skills anymore. They expect you to come with those skills because turnover is so high that companies are not investing in training. So you have to invest in training yourself. You just may have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars and years of your time getting a college degree, or you may have done that 30 or 40 years ago, like I did. It doesn't matter. You today are responsible for your own employability. And one of the key things is it starts with technology. So I ask you, I beg you, I plead with you, make a personal commitment to increase your technology skills today and spend half an hour every single day learning something new in technology. This has been A Simple Secret of Career Success. I'm Diane Huth. I'm your accidental career coach. Thank you for listening. I will have another important tip tomorrow, maybe even another one this afternoon when I get home from teaching my class at Texas A&M. Have a great day and tech up.